Hi guys, I would like you to meet my grandma. This is her and this is her basil plants. So grandma, what are your tips for growing these basil because they look so good? So I want to know all your secrets.
My secret, mahilig akong mag-alaga ng halaman, lalo na sa basil. Dahil ito'y magagamit lahat ng pagkain na gusto kong iluto ay pwede. Pampasarap, mabango. That's it.
Okay, but I also have another question to ask you.
Okay.
So, is it possible for them to survive indoors? Like if you put them inside the house, will they still survive?
They are all survived. Even the indoors, even in the inside the house, pwede sa kanilang lahat.
Okay, and also, Grandma, how many times do you monitor this each day?
Manage.
Yeah, like how many times a day do you watch this, monitor it and stuff?
Every morning, inaalagaan ko sila kasi mahal ko sila dahil parang nagpapaalis sa akin ng stress. Masaya ako pag nakikita ko yung mga halaman ko, lalo na itong basil na ito kasi siya yung nagpapasarap sa pagkain. Pagka nagluto ako ng spaghetti or menudo, anything
Okay.
anything you want, anything, this basil is good for the food.
So you take care of this every morning, right?
Every morning, even afternoon.
Okay, and you're also making sure that all the insects are kept out, right?
Yeah.
So,
Kasi yung mga insekto laging nandyan, gusto nilang kainin yung mga dahon, kaya kailangan alisin ko lahat sila para lumago. Tulad nito, bago pa lang mga ito na inalagaan ko, ganyan lang kalaki. Oh, ngayon look at this now.
wow, this is amazing. And
Yeah.
also, how long does it take for a basil plant to fully grow?
I think up 2 months.
2 months?
Mm-hmm.
That's so long.
That's low. Yeah, it's too long.
Sobrang matagal.
Matagal pero tingnan mo naman ang itsura nila, o di ba? Ang ganda. Ang ganda nila, parang babae na maganda.
Yeah, I see your point. And also another thing, so do you plan on putting anything else in this?
Dinidiligan ko sila ng yung balat ng banana. I cut small cut and then I put the water. Binababad ko sila 3 days. After 3 days, ididilig ko dito sa basil para lumago at gumanda sila.
Okay.
At maging green na green.
Okay, thank you for talking to me, Grandma. So yeah, this is my grandma's basil, and she just mentioned everything you need to know about growing basil plants. Bye!